name is Britany Judish, and I am in the accounting department here at ShopSabre. So I work in more of the behind-the-scenes accounts receivable. I have actually worn quite a few hats here during my time at ShopSabre. I handle processing all of the machines and the parts that ship out of our facility every day. I make sure that vendor payments and customer deposits are not only flowing correctly through the bank, but that they're also reflecting correctly in our ERP system. I handle customer requests as they come in, whether that be emails for receipt copies or invoice copies or tax questions, whatever it may be. I've never sold a machine or built a machine, but I've done just about everything in between. I'm always willing to jump in and help whoever might need it. So is everyone else here, really. I think that's what it takes to succeed. We succeed as a team here, and I'm happy to be a part of that. Well, my experience has been wonderful so far. I've been here for 7 years this September, and I've loved every second of it. What drew me to ShopSabre was really the family dynamic that they have here. My dad actually worked here before I did, and I'd come visit him sometimes, and they always were just so kind and welcoming. When I found out they were looking for some help in the office and they were willing to give me an interview, it was really just a no-brainer. I spend most of my time with my 2 beautiful daughters, my husband, and my cats. We live a very quiet life, a lot of school functions, and we're learning how to drive with one of them, and life is just very nice at home. What sets us apart from other brands is the service we provide. It's the people we have here. That's what keeps people coming back. We're only a phone call away, an email away in any of our departments for any of our customers, and I really do think that's what keeps them coming back. If you are looking for somewhere that is going to encourage your growth, that is going to celebrate your success, if you're a team player, if you're not afraid of a little hard work, come join the team. This is the place for you.